In this video, I will show you the settings where you can delete tags in WordPress posts. As my example, the tags are usually located at the very bottom of the post right here. In fact, this particular post has 3 tags. And for the purpose of this example, let's assume that I wish to delete buying guides tag. So in order to delete it, it's really easy. Let's log into WordPress dashboard, then hover on posts, click on all posts, and then locate the post in question, which in my case is this one, comparing manual versus automatic espresso machines, and then click on edit. Now, once the block editor loads, on the right you should see the settings, and if you scroll down a bit, you should see the tag section. Here are all the tags which are associated with this particular post. In case you don't see the tag section, you need to go to options, and then click on preferences, and then go to panels and make sure this setting is enabled. Now let's close it, and in order to delete the tag, let's assume we would like to delete the buying guides tag. Let's click on the X, it will remove it. And now let's update the post. So the tag should be removed. Let's go back to the website and refresh it. And as you can see, the buying tag is no longer present. Now, in case you wish to delete a tag across all of your WordPress posts, it's actually very easy to do. Let's once again go to the WordPress dashboard and then hover on posts and then click on tags. And let's assume we would like to delete this tag, which is buying guides, and currently it's associated with 6 posts. So once we click on delete and confirm the deletion, the tag will be deleted from all of the posts. Once again, let me go to post page, and as you can see, the buying guide tag is no longer present anywhere. So this is all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.